What's up, guys? Welcome to another question of the day. Today's question has to do with when is the right time to have a procedure and what procedure should I have? That's what a patient asked me. And so I picked up my book. There's a whole chapter in this book dedicated to that. And actually, I just read the inside jacket cover and it brought back some memories to me. I was like, I can't believe I wrote that. So I want to read you the inside jacket of the book, and then I want to read a little bit from the chapter or a couple of things in there that I think are important that'll help you with this question. So, plastic surgery can be a miracle to patients if done properly by a board-certified plastic surgeon, but prospective patients should take a step back and think about whether the decision they're making is for themselves or if they're doing it because someone else doesn't like the way that they look. It's important that you have surgery for you and no one else, to feel empowered, to better fit into your clothing, or to just look good in the way that you feel in your skin. So those are important reasons why you should have surgery, and when is the right time for you is really personal to you. Sure, there could be things like having children that may make you delay a procedure, but ultimately that's when the surgery is right for you. In the chapter, I want to go through a couple of things. I talk about when the right reasons are, which I kind of listed off a few, and then I want to list a few for you to give you a taste of what I think the wrong reasons to have surgery are. So some of the right reasons to have surgery are, I want my body back, right? You've had a bunch of children or you've lost a bunch of weight and you just want your body back. I want to feel empowered again in my life, because let's face it, the way that we feel has a lot to do with the way that we look. When you look a certain way and you feel good in your skin, that sort of carries into everything else that we do in life. Our relationships with our children, our spouses, our friends, the way we work, it affects everything. I want my clothes to fit better. That's a valid reason. I want to feel better in my skin. We kind of talked about that. I want my wife to be proud of how I look. So those are a lot of reasons to have surgery that sort of point towards when is the right time. But believe it or not, there are a lot of things that I hear in the clinic that are the wrong time. And some of those things would be this: unrealistic expectations. If your expectations are so unrealistic when we talk in the clinic, then it's not the right time for you to have surgery, and it may not ever be the right time for you. Doing it for someone else, believe it or not, I still hear this all the time in my office. I'll have a patient who will come in to me for a consultation, for example, for a breast augmentation, and they may say, well, my husband wants this size. And I'm like, I don't care what your husband wants. You're sitting in front of me. What size do you want? This is your body. You do it for the right reasons for yourself. So that's not a good reason to do it, is if you're doing it for someone else. If you're obsessed with perfection, a cosmetic procedure may not be for you. The wrong time in your life. There might be something going on in your life that's not a good reason. And finally, a good one that I talk about in the book is if you're doing it thinking that it's going to save a relationship or save a marriage, those are not the right times to have a procedure. You want to have a procedure when you can confidently say that you're doing it for yourself and only for yourself. So I hope that helps answer your question. Pick up a copy of the Real Beauty Bible and read the chapter on this. It's a really good chapter. Again, you guys ask the question and I will answer it. Have a great day.